Wednesday, February 2nd, day 2. And it's like 8 in the morning. We still got till 3 o'clock, maybe more, before the winds officially die down. But that thing's almost completely covered. Can't even see that pipe anymore. That's my mom's car. The streets are just as high, about 5 feet. Mom's supposed to be at work, but I don't think that's going to happen. We're able to make a path for my dog. This is up to our fence. I made a trail just so our dog can go to the bathroom. Oh, hold that. You see this? It's up to my knees. It's actually past up to your crotch. No, right here. That's where your crotch is, darling. My crotch ain't right here. Just about. No. If you look at the other, if you measure the other side, don't worry, let's not argue.
Oh, that side?
Yeah. Well, where I was standing, it was like right above my knees.
Got it?
Yeah. Alright. And that's just to get out of the gate. Winds are pretty strong out here too, still. But last night, we couldn't even see the school, so visibility has improved. I could barely even see across the street over here, which is cool, which I can see now. All that snow we put underneath that tree. I would love to hear your comments or see videos of what you have gotten from your area. Anyone like to send me a video reply to any of my videos with the snow, showing what they got or anything, please let me know. More than grateful to answer. I'll try to answer. Huh?
This is a 6-foot fence.
Yeah, not too much more to go. Hey, you finally found the grass. Look, that car is pretty buried in. They ain't going anywhere soon. See if I can. God.
Sorry.
I would have filmed it yesterday, but I didn't want to be mean. There was this, because I thought we were laughing at it too much.
Them.
But there's, see that car over there? It took him almost 45 minutes to get in that spot. For a while we didn't know what he was doing, because he drive forward to here, drive back, drive forward, drive back,
Yeah, look.
get out, walk around, go over there, walk back, get on his cell phone, look down the street, walk back. And for the longest time we couldn't figure out what he was doing. It wasn't until we started to hear the screeching of the tires that realized he was trying to go backwards finally, and then he called our neighbors that lived down the block, and they finally helped him get into a spot. After 15 minutes, they finally pulled out the shovels, which me and Mom were thinking they should have done right away, and dug a clearing so he can get his car in. Well, at least he was managed to get in. I saw some cars like really early on. It has got to like a point over there and got stuck for a longer time. So he actually got lucky. It's about 20 degrees out here.
Sorry.
I know that if here's in the TV say it's like 22, but it feels colder. It probably is. This is insane. You could build like a little tunnel under all this if you wanted to. Have your own secret little snow bunker.
Yes.
I know. Let's open the gate. Free the gate from its prison of snow. First.
Gotta get that on video.
Oh, gosh. You guys seeing this? This is crazy.
That's how it was against the front door this morning.
Really?
I had to crawl through the snow to get a shovel to clear the door.
Wow.
Alright, I'll let you in.
Hey, we're not the only ones shoveling.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Wait.
Well, I will be shoveling in a few minutes anyway.
It's cold.
Yeah, her feet are cold.
Okay, which way is it blowing right this minute?
Oh, that way. No.
I gotta
It's moving! You can't tell because it keeps shifting.
redrift.
I think it's going to drift no matter what.
I'll have to send this to Cindy.
I'll probably take the camera with, or just show them the videos later. Yeah, in a couple days we're going to be at Aunt Cindy's house. Hi! You see what we got right now? Well, we'll see you in a day or two, but we're showing you firsthand what kind of weather Chicago's getting.
Get out my gate!
I don't know if you heard it on the news or not. Maybe you haven't. Who knows? We are getting dumped by snow. And this ain't even half of it. We're supposed to get more. Alright. I'm going to let you go for now. I'll make another video later. Maybe... I don't know. I'll figure out the time. But... end it for now. Want to say something before I turn off?
Lot of snow, man, if you can tread the elements.
Yeah. Alright. Bye.